Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Google Japan. Today I've got some incredible news for you about the Google Workspace updates for August 2025. Honestly, this month's updates are absolutely insane. They have the potential to completely transform the way you work. In particular, the evolution of the AI assistant, Gemini, and the information tool, NotebookLM, is a true game changer. Naruto, what was your favorite update?
The best update for me? Google Drive.
Yeah.
Gemini can now organize your files. How cool is that?
Definitely. Today, I'm going to introduce 5 new features that you absolutely need to know about. So let's get started. First up is Google Forms. We all use it for surveys, right? Well, the permission settings have become incredibly flexible. Now you can assign a specific responder role to each user, not just the general editor role like before. And there's a truly revolutionary part. You can now set an expiration date for responses. For example, you can set it like these users need to reply by August 27th. That means you don't need to send reminder messages anymore. The form closes automatically when the deadline passes, making management so much easier. Second is Google Chat. The feature where AI summarizes files shared in the chat has been significantly powered up. In addition to Google Docs and Sheets, it now supports PDF, Word, PowerPoint, and get this, even zip files. Isn't summarizing a zip file just amazing? You no longer need to download the file, unzip it, and check each item inside one by one. With just one click on Summarize File, you can instantly understand the contents of a compressed folder. The third feature is something many of you have probably dreamed of: file organization in Google Drive. Finally, Gemini will organize it for you. For example, you just give Gemini an instruction like this: create a folder named Q2 Forecast and move all related files into it. And just like that, Gemini automatically creates a folder and moves all the relevant files into it. It's like magic, isn't it? A task that used to take hours might now be finished in just a few seconds.
I've always tried to organize my folders, but they always turn into a chaos.
Yes, chaos. Yes, chaos.
This time I think I can actually solve it.
Okay. First, Gemini is becoming your personal secretary. You can set to handle repeating tasks for you. For instance, just set it up once by saying, every morning at 9 a.m., show me my unread emails. Then every day at that time, Gemini will send you a push notification with a summary of your unread messages. Woo! This works not only with email, but also with your Google Calendar events and to-do list tasks. This will surely help you never miss a thing. And now for number 5. This is the most shocking update of all. NotebookLM has made an unbelievable leap forward. Using the new Studio feature, you can upload a document and the AI will automatically generate a video or a mind map from it. I tried it myself. I uploaded a report written in Japanese, and in just 5 to 6 minutes, it created a high-quality explainer video in English that perfectly captures the content.
So what does it really take to build a company? I mean, we are surrounded by new tech, right? New apps, new updates, all the time. This isn't about what the company builds. Not really.
The generated video was about 7 to 8 minutes long, and the AI even handled the structure and instructions. Right now, it's only available in English, but support for more language is coming soon. This is going to be incredibly useful for summarizing training materials or sharing meeting minutes. So there you have it, 5 major new features from the Google Workspace August 2025 update. The automatic organization in Google Drive and the video generation in NotebookLM in particular have enough impact to change the very foundation of how we work.
Totally. It's like we are getting a personal assistant and a video editor, building right into our tools.
Yes. As AI takes over tedious tasks, we can focus on more creative and important work. We are preparing more NotebookLM specific updates. Stay tuned. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.